Hey, are you looking for a good quality smartwatch from AliExpress? I have fixed the smartwatches of their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links of the watches are in the description below the video. Subscribe on my channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. This video is sponsored by couponsview.com. Here you will find all flash deal offers and coupon discount codes from various popular e-commerce sites like AliExpress, Amazon, and others. You will get the link in the description box. So let's start the video. And at number 5, the best watches, Lockmat Ocean Smartwatch. Recently this watch price is $21.51. The Lockmat Ocean Smartwatch has a sporty design and a feel of fitness tracker design. It has a somewhat similar design to that of the Lockmat MK22 smartwatch. Having a steel frame covered by ATPU material that is durable, bump, and chip resistant. It has 4 physical buttons for an operation that is stainless steel. This smartwatch has a TPU strap that is highly resistant, high strength, and with stainless steel buckle. Unlike the MK22 with an FSTN LCD display, the Lockmat Ocean Smartwatch has a full-color TFT LCD display. The 1.14-inch LCD has a sharp, bright LCD color screen with 135 by 240 pixel resolution. Just like the MK22, the smartwatch has 4 physical buttons for operation, but the Ocean also supports touchscreen operation. The Ocean smartwatch has a G sensor, heart rate monitor, blood pressure monitor. It has Bluetooth 4.0 connectivity compatible with Android 4.4 and above, iOS 8.0 and above. It uses the Dayband Support app available for iOS and Android platforms. The wearable supports multiple sport modes: running, bicycle, tennis, table tennis, badminton, and rope skipping. It also has auto sports tracking, distance, and calorie counter. It got the usual call and message notifications, social app notifications, remote control for the camera, alarm, sleep monitoring, and more. The Lockmat smartwatch has 180 mAh lithium polymer battery with 10 days of standby time in just a single charge, and 3 days of normal usage. The overall body is IP68 waterproof rated. It supports shower, washing your hands as well as swimming. And at number 4, the smartwatch is Fox 10, new sports camera watch. Fox 10 is a stylish GPS sports watch that not only represents a stylish attitude but also monitors your health and movement at all times. It is a very cost-effective sports watch, built-in GPS, and multiple running exercise modes for choice. Have such a watch, ignite your passion for exercise. Now, this smartwatch price is $69.99. This smartwatch is an all-in-one combination: pedometer, calorie counter, health tracker, sedentary remind, remote photos, music control, call reminder, alarm clock, anti-lost remind, weather forecast, notification push for email, SMS, Facebook, Twitter, Skype, WhatsApp, etc. This smartwatch has a personal health tracker system. Built-in latest optical sensors, track real-time heart rate effectively. Blood pressure and blood oxygen levels, intelligent sleep monitoring, helping you adjust yourself for a healthier lifestyle. By its all-day activity tracking. Bluetooth running GPS fitness tracker accurately record all-day activities like steps, distance, calories burned, active minutes. Special sport modes for walking, running, cycling, football, basketball, badminton, skipping. This watch built-in 300 to 450 mAh powerful battery. 32 GB ROM and 2 GB RAM. 20 days of maximum standby time. It has IP67 waterproof resistant systems. Its waterproof and sweat-proof design enables you to do any sports including swimming without taking it off. Do not press the button underwater. Do not flushing hot water. And at number 3, the best smartwatch is Huawei Watch GT. Huawei Watch GT looks and sounds like a smartwatch, but it is really a fitness tracker in disguise. Instead, you get activity and sleep tracking, continuous heart rate monitoring, and GPS. It is well suited for outdoor exercise, thanks to its scratch-resistant case and sport modes like trail runs and climbs. It is a solid choice if you want the functionality of a fitness tracker in the style of a smartwatch. Already this watch price is $92.99. The Huawei Watch GT is surprisingly rugged given its sleek design. Its stainless steel case and ceramic bezel are wrapped in a carbon coating, making it resistant to scratches even in extreme environments. The 1.39-inch AMOLED display is responsive and smooth. With 454 by 454 pixels, all content looks very vibrant and sharp. This watch comes with a 5 ATM waterproof rating. You can wear it in the shower and in the pool. It comes in two color combinations, black stainless steel with a black silicone wrist strap. The Watch GT is powered by an ARM Cortex-M4 processor and features an accelerometer, a gyroscope, a heart rate sensor, a magnetometer, an ambient light sensor, a barometer, and GPS. This watch has a multifunction mode: weather, date, luminous dial, walking steps, walking distance, burned calories, alarm, stopwatch function, remote camera, offers you to take photos in every place. The call and message icon keeps flickering and makes a notification tune to remind. The messages including SMS, Facebook, Skype, Twitter, WhatsApp, etc. This smartwatch built-in 300 to 450 mAh high-capacity powerful watch, more than 128 MB RAM and ROM, 20 days of maximum standby time. And at second place the smartwatch is Microwear H1 smartwatch. Microwear H1. This watch has been manufactured by the Shenzhen KTC team, who during a 2-year investigation has managed to get one of the best smartwatches on the market. The H1 has a very elegant design and at the same time minimalist, has two types of belts. One rubber and the other stainless steel, which can be interchangeable. Now, this watch price is $113.91. This Android smartwatch with a sporty design, it has a steel body and a removable TPU strap. The smartwatch has a 1.39-inch screen with 400 by 400 pixel resolution. The AMOLED display provides clear and crisp graphics. It also has a 2-megapixel camera on the side. The Microwear H1 is also the world's first IP68 waterproof smartwatch that can withstand up to 1.2 meters of depth. The smartwatch is powered by MTK 6572 processor, 1.2 GHz dual core and runs Android 4.1 OS. It is a smartwatch phone equipped with a nano SIM card compatible with GSM and WCDMA connectivity, with 4 GB of internal memory and 512 MB of RAM. In this smartwatch includes a pedometer, heart rate monitor, sedentary reminder, sleep monitoring, compass, air pressure, altitude, and Google Play. It also supports GPS and multimode sport, with a 360 mAh battery. The smartwatch standby time is up to 3 days. This watch supports incoming call remind and messages notification. While Bluetooth connecting, if there is an incoming call, it would show the caller ID. Almost all notification of app could be synchronized to the watch. H1 is an excellent companion for our daily routine, since it incorporates all the functions of a sports bracelet. In addition, it can also measure our rest hours, so that we have everything under control. And at number 1 the watch is Kospet Prime Smartwatch. Now, this smartwatch price is $133.99. Kospet customized 1.6 round display screen. This increases the display area by 13% compared with other top-end products of 1.39-inch display in the market. The IPS display of 400 by 400 resolution with pixel densities of 354 pixels per inch, far beyond the standard of 326 ppi for Retina screen. This crystal clear display brings you dramatically excellent viewing experience. Prime is the world's first smartwatch with face recognition technology. The employed algorithm extracts 1068 facial features, unlocking your smartwatch just on a hand lift. Easy and convenient, better safeguards your privacy. Kospet has been looking for a breakthrough in the battery life of Android smartwatches all the time. Kospet Prime applies a 1260 mAh large battery, which is nearly 40% more than the highest capacity battery on the market. This is a distinguished leap in battery life. In Prime hardware, with 3 GB and 32 GB big storage. It is equipped with a 64-bit quad-core MT6739 based on ARM Cortex-A53 CPU, which operates up to a fast 1.25 GHz. 8 kinds of sports you can choose: running, walking, cycling, mountain climbing, swimming, basketball, football, dance, aerobics, skating, etc. It can recognize sports types of running and ball games automatically. Record real-time heart rate, exercise duration, distance automatically. It has 2-megapixel front camera, live chat anytime, anywhere. 8-megapixel side camera brings the coolest shooting experience. Don't forget to subscribe, and I request you please share this video.